Hi, my name is Naima Vignoli.
Hi, my name is Miles.
Hi, my name is Milo.
Hi, my name is Memphis. We are from PS9 in Brooklyn, New York. The hypothesis is we think that our plant will grow successfully in our DIY Wick system. How will our plant survive in our DIY Wick system? The hypothesis. We think that our plant will grow successfully in our DIY hydroponic system. Materials: plastic bottle, scissors, cotton wick, Q-plug, paper towel, nutrients, clay pebbles. Procedure:
Cut the bottle where the curve ends, a bit more than 1.5 way down. Do with a parent/guardian.
Step 2. Flip the top half of the bottle into the bottom half of the bottle.
Step 3. Thread the cotton wick through the opening of the bottle top so the wick will reach the water in the reservoir.
Step 4. Add the nutrients,
Clay pebbles, and the water to the system.
Step 5. Put the Q-plug into the system.
Our observations.
We observed that the cotton wick sucks the water, and the Q-plug sucks in the water from the cotton wick, and the root sucks in the water from the Q-plug, and the plant and the Q-plug can absorb the water from the cotton wick.
We noticed that nothing happened for the first few days.
Our hypothesis was correct. Our plants are growing successfully. Our plants are getting everything it needs.
My hypothesis was correct and it survived.
In conclusion, our plant was supported by our DIY hydroponic system. Our hypothesis was correct. Our plant grew successfully.
Thanks.